Are you feeling stressed? Do you have racing thoughts or a sense of overwhelm? If so, let's tap together using EFT to release and let go of some of that tension that you're experiencing, so you can move out of your nervous system stress response and into a state of peace, calm, clarity, and better control. So hi, if you're new here, my name's Rochelle Fox and I'm the founder of Mindspo and the author of Magnetic, the secret to manifesting health, wealth, love, and happiness. And in my debut book, I share a lot about EFT and its transformative power. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through a quick and easy EFT session to reduce stress so you can experience some of the incredible benefits of this tool firsthand. Before we begin tapping, let's take a moment to identify what even is causing you stress. Give it a name. For example, is it work deadlines, the future, family issues, or maybe even your partner? Once you have a name for it, rate it on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 means it's not there at all, in which case you don't need this video, and 10 means that the stress is very intense. Keep note of this rating as we're going to come back to it at the end of the video, and it's going to help us understand how tapping affected your stress today. So before we begin, I do just want to say it's important that you are taking full responsibility for your own well-being, both mentally, physically, and spiritually, and only tap along if you feel safe and comfortable to do so. If you're ready, let's begin. We're going to start by tapping on the side of the hand while repeating our setup statements. So just tap along and say each setup statement out loud after me. Even though I feel this stress and all of these racing thoughts in my head, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I'm feeling overwhelmed and this pressure is really weighing me down, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel all of this tension and stress in my mind and body, I'm choosing to have compassion for myself, and I'm open to letting go of this stress. All right, now just put your hands down. Take a breath in for me. Exhale, let it go. We're going to move through our other tapping points and just keep that presence of stress in your mind, allowing yourself to bring it forward. And just repeat each statement after me, starting with the top of the head. I'm feeling really stressed. This stress is interfering with my life. This stress I feel in my, and just label where you feel it. Where do you feel the stress? This stress I'm feeling about that situation. This stress that does not serve me. This stress that's holding me back. This stress that's causing overwhelm. This stress connected to old stories that I'm ready to let go of. All right, take a breath in through the nose. Exhale, let it go. All right, we're going to continue tapping through the points with some more reassuring phrases. So top of the head again. I'm open to letting go of this stress. It's safe for me to relax. I don't have to feel stressed about this situation. I can handle this one step at a time. I'm releasing this tension and overwhelm now. I'm choosing to feel calm and centered. I'm letting go of what I cannot control. I'm releasing this stress. All right, take a breath in for me. Exhale, let it go. We're going to do our last round now as we're going to affirm some even more positive statements. So top of the head. Sit up nice and tall for me. I'm capable of letting this stress go. Yes, you are. I feel lighter already. I trust myself to handle what comes next. I choose peace over stress. I'm capable and choose self-compassion. I'm choosing ease over this stress. I'm focusing on what I can control. I choose peace and calm. All right, great work. Put your hands down for me. Close your eyes, take a breath in, fill up your lungs. Exhale, let it go. Sigh it out. One more. Fill up those lungs, inhale. Exhale. Let it go. Now roll your shoulders back for me, sitting up nice and straight. And just allow yourself to feel into the space that you have created. And just notice how your mind, your body feels right now. How is your energy? And if you had to rate that feeling of stress that was present at the beginning of the video, again now, on a scale of 0 being not much stress, there's nothing there, to 10 being very intense, where would it be right now on the scale? Did you notice a shift in your score from the start? Has there been any sort of change? I'd absolutely love if you're able to share your own before and after rating in the comments down below, because this is going to help other people see the power of EFT, and it also just encourages us all to go and check in with ourselves and how we really feel. Now remember, this was just a quick round of tapping and an introduction to what is possible with EFT. If you're looking for more EFT tools and techniques and videos, then be sure to go check out my app, the Mindspo app, and also my book Magnetic for even more support on your healing journey. Everything I've mentioned is linked down in the description box, and I'm sending you so much love, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.